The QX60 is beautiful, but more than how it looks, I want to know how it can look after me. Real world, please. You're driving. Outside, it's bumper to bumper. Inside, your 4-year-old wants you to listen to her read. Sound familiar? The QX60 has got you covered. It can ease your burden in traffic, so you can tune into the drive and the story. Just press a single button and ProPILOT Assist with Navi-link can help keep you on track. Sensors in front here monitor the cars ahead over there. So the QX60 slows down when they slow down and speeds up when they speed up. It can even help keep you centered in your lane.
If traffic stops, it can automatically get you going within 30 seconds once traffic resumes.
How about this? You're driving, and before you know it, your off-ramp appears. Using highway mapping, QX60 knows what's coming and can slow you down for the exit. Here's a step forward, Predictive Forward Collision Warning. It can see 2 cars ahead and warn you of a possible collision. This INFINITI innovation can politely stop your QX60 from backing into a large stationary object. And if you're tempted to change lanes but can't see your blind spot, like the one back here, you'll be grateful for blind spot intervention. I know I am. When you can see more and sense more, you feel more confident every step of the way. The 2022 INFINITI QX60.